Hi everyone, this is Bridget here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple Anglo-Indian pepper water. This is another simple way, so I'm sure that it'll be very easy for you to make. It's extremely tasty and very simple to make. So come, let's get started. So what you'd need is one medium-sized or two medium-sized tomatoes chopped into big pieces. Put them in a mixie, and you add a teaspoon each of cumin, pepper powder, half a teaspoon chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, and a lime-sized ball of tamarind, or if you don't have tamarind, half a teaspoon of tamarind paste, and add salt to taste and 1 cup of water, and grind this in a mixie roughly. It need not be very smooth. Okay, once it's ground, you pour it into a suitable vessel or pan and add 2 or more cups of water to it to dilute the mixture to the required quantity that you would like to have as your pepper water. So cook on high heat till the mixture boils, and when it's nicely boiling, reduce it to a simmer for a few minutes. Meanwhile, you take a small pan, heat oil, and add smashed garlic, mustard, and jeera, and let it splutter. Add this to the boiling pepper water and mix it in. Okay, once you have added it to the pepper water, just give it boil for 1 minute more, and then you switch off. Your pepper water is now ready. So if you like this video, please like and share it, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please tell your friends also to subscribe for with more Anglo-Indian cooking videos. Thank you.